Hey there, this is Michelle Pescosolido, and in this training video, I want to talk about a new tool that's been added to our Facebook advertising back office. It's called Website Custom Audiences. Now, it's going to seem a lot like the retargeting tools that you may have seen out there, and for those of you that don't know what retargeting tools are, all it simply is let me just show you real quick. So I'm over here, let me just go to Facebook. So the other day, I was shopping online for bar stools, and what happened was that some of these websites will place a cookie on my actual computer. So when I come over to Facebook, I'm going to start seeing ads about the products that I was shopping for. So it just so happened that this was the exact company I was looking at bar stools at, and that is the exact bar stool. So they're pretty intuitive when it comes to doing these retargeting ads. So what happens is business owners will go out there and they'll capture people like me that are on their website by placing that cookie. Then when I come over on Facebook, I'm going to start seeing ads about that bar stool or about buying from that company. And that is what more of the retargeting is. So this is going to be a little bit different. So when I explain this to you, you're going to think it's retargeting, and it is somewhat retargeting, but it's going to be based on your own website. So for example, I have a blog here, and I'm just going to go ahead and just copy this section. So what I'm going to do is anybody who visits this page right here, I'm going to be able to target them in an ad to build my fan base in this particular demonstration that I'm going to show you. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this /blog. So say I wanted to also target all the people that went to this page right here on how to get more Twitter followers. You're going to need this information on the back end, the /Twitter followers, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and copy that. We're going to go over to Facebook, and we're going to create a website custom audience. So let's go into my ad manager here. Then over on the left here, it'll say the Power Editor. I'm going to click on the Power Editor. And I've already clicked on audiences right here. So now I'm going to create an audience. So create a custom audience. And normally when I talked about uploading a custom audience for maybe your Aweber list, you've got a list of email addresses or UIDs, you usually go in this spot here, but I'm going to go down to custom audience for this one because that's what we're uploading here. So we're going to create an audience, and you're going to need to get your tracking pixel, which is right here. If I click on View Remarketing Pixel, it's going to give me a pixel that I'm going to install on my website. So this audience that goes to specific pages, then I'm going to be able to target them. So if you don't know how to install a remarketing pixel that Facebook gives you, then you maybe need to get to outsource it or get your web designer who's built your website to do this, because they will know how to do that. So I'm just going to go ahead and name this Facebook Blog Traffic. It's actually blog traffic for Facebook, and this is just for you, okay? The description, traffic to my blog, all right? Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here, and we need to add that URL of the keywords. So here I want to catch people right here to see if they're going to land here, and I want to start targeting and adding them. And I'll have to create an ad and all that, but that's something that I explained in my course and I explained in other videos. This is just for those of you that want to know how to upload and get an audience uploaded to create a web custom audience. So Twitter followers, I can do or that means they go to Twitter followers and maybe blog, but I'm not going to do that there. All right, I'm going to do the or, so then I'm going to do /blog. So there's another one. So I can add in all the pages from my blog. Let me go back here. Mindset, dream big. Maybe I want to do this one, so I'm just going to copy this right here. And then I'm just going to paste it right there. So this is or, okay? Or, meaning any of these pages. If you add and, that means that they've had to have visited this and this, but we're not going to do that. All right, in the last 30 days, this is going to mean as soon as you install that tracking pixel, then it'll start to track back. So I just installed mine a couple of days ago. It's not going to go back 30 days. It's going to start from the day that I actually installed the tracking pixel. So then we're going to click create, as I got tongue-tied there. And now the audience has been created, and I can click OK. And now I can actually go in and create an ad and target those people that have visited those pages. So an example might be, hey there, I know you visited my blog, why not come over here and like my fan page? So I'm targeting them on Facebook. So that's something that you might want to consider doing in your Facebook marketing. It's definitely more advanced strategies. And these are the kinds of things that I teach in more detail in my Facebook coaching program. So I'll be sure to put the link below this video. So if you want to get access to that, we're going to be doing this in more detail coming up here soon in that coaching program. And people who are part of that get access to that. So I hope you like this tutorial. Hopefully it'll get you off to a good start, and you can test it out and see how it works for you. And I'll see you in the next training video. Bye-bye.